Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by power cycling both the Xbox 360 and the router to clear transient errors. Turn each off for 30 seconds, then power back on. Next, make sure you know the exact Wi-Fi SSID and password so you can reconnect without guessing. If your console currently uses a static DNS, note those values now. You'll want to restore them if a change fails. Once done, move into the console network settings to test the connection. You now change the DNS to bypass possible ISP issues. Go to System Settings, Network Settings, select your network, and choose Configure Network. Once in DNS settings, switch from automatic to manual so you can type in known reliable DNS servers such as 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8, 8, 4, 4. Save those entries, then run the test Xbox Live connection. If it connects, the DNS was the problem. If not, note the exact error message. Once tests pass, reboot the Xbox to ensure settings stick, and then play online for a few minutes to confirm stability. If issues persist, switch to a wired Ethernet cable to eliminate Wi-Fi variables, or change the router's DNS to the same public servers you tried on the console. If that still fails, reset the console's network settings back to factory defaults. But do this only as a last resort, because you'll need to re-enter other network data. If you get specific error codes, use them when seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.